Iterate. So we talked about how we launch as soon as we can with Marketplace with the kind of federated ownership and getting some content out there, often with a pilot use case, focusing on a particular technology. Maybe I'm publishing all of my Tableau reports in the first instance, or maybe it's a particular domain. I want to get customer data into the Marketplace as soon as possible because we've just had a really successful MDM project cleaning up our customer data. That's a great starting point. But the idea with Marketplace is that you allow for organic growth of content over time. Now, that can be via new data requests. Some people will come in and say, look, you're missing this, I need this. But you can't put all of the weight on the consumers. You also want to encourage people to give back to the Marketplace as data owners independently. So if you do have a lot of analysts coming in who are coming in and getting the raw data for their analytics project and building some incredible reports as part of their job, encourage them to publish these back to the Marketplace. Say that they can become data owners. They are data consumers, of course they are. They needed the raw data to create their reports, but they're also data producers because they created something new from that data. And that report can be reused and really helpful for many, many other users. So it's that hybrid user who's going to be super valuable to your Marketplace, both consuming data and publishing data back. It's through this organic growth as well that you can begin to see where the Marketplace should adapt. So you might have started with a very broad category hierarchy, maybe 10 to 12 kind of high level, broad categories. But once you start seeing the kind of data products that are growing in the Marketplace that are being added because of requests or because of these data producers, then you can start shaping the subcategories around them so that things are easy to find based on what's actually in there rather than based on some top-down dictate. That way you can continue to make improvements based on the feedback. So you're building up the content, you're fleshing out the category hierarchy. You're looking to make sure you can bring down delivery times and improve DQ wherever possible. That's going to be beneficial to your consumers. If you need to certify data for additional usage types or add alternative delivery options based on the feedback you're getting, it's all about building this up over time and understanding what's working and what isn't and adapting. You can clarify any terms of use, maybe add additional accessible ones where possible to try and make data more readily available. And it's always a good idea as well to think about who the consumers of data were before you launch the Marketplace and look to upload those, because the more busy, the more popular, the more buzzy the data Marketplace is, the more it becomes self-sustaining, the data community grows and supports one another, taking the pressure off the data owners and allowing people to really understand how others are using data and collaborate effectively. Thank you.